Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're going to be talking about some stuff to do with the hurricane season, and pretty much we're talking about this hurricane right now, and then the temperatures and warnings for now. So pretty much for now, we're gonna talk about the hurricanes in the Philippines. So as of right now, you guys can see let me change this to black real fast. Alright, so guys, if you guys can see, the hurricane is turning as like this right now, not the best arrow. And then we have the let me change the color again. The pink is gonna represent the eye wall. The eye wall from earlier. So pretty much right here, that's the eye wall. So if you guys can see, this hurricane is eye wall is um begin to a wobbly stage and begin to weaken. As you guys can see, we actually have cloud cover all the way up into the Philippines right here, which right here we do not we're not seeing any type of cloud cover for this area. So it is, but then we have for these small parts of the Philippines, you guys are getting parts of the small Philippines. You guys are getting cloud cover, but like I said, this eye is beginning to get into a wobbly stage, or is more of weakening, and the track it's supposed to take is going to go like this, and it's supposed to be right here by Wednesday. It's supposed to, they say it's supposed to be dropped down to 110, not the best 110. I can't write on these markers for some reason, but like I was saying, by Wednesday it's supposed to be in this area with no eye. It's supposed to weakening. Dude, that's just due because of the water is cooler in this area. Even in this area, it is cool, but it's not as cold as when you're going towards California and all that right here. But really, you look at if you come right here, you look at more of this area. Um, This really stays a hurricane season all year round. It's just this month and next month is the most active year. So pretty much the hurricane season is a lot different than our hurricane season. Unlike the Atlantic Ocean, it don't really doesn't start until about July. Maybe you might get a hurricane forming in there or late June, mid June. But like I was saying, this is as of right now. Currently, this is the eye as of right now. As you guys can see, not doing too well. Like I said earlier, it's not doing good. But as you guys can see, you can still see a perfect rotation on it, which is going this way. Is going into right here, and as you guys can see, it's going like that. As you can see, like I said, not too much of a cloud cover for this for the big islands right here. So, and then now we're going to look at the track. So as I was saying, like I was saying earlier, the track was going to be right here. As I was saying, it's going to take this track and be gone by Wednesday. This is Wednesday, like I said. Right here is going to be Wednesday. Right here is Wednesday, and right here is Thursday. So like I said, these are kilonauts, so knots, pretty much. Um, Pretty much gonna be lower than what this is, but we actually seen ones going up to 185. Or yesterday was at its strongest. Now it's beginning to simmer down and calm down. So that's gonna be the end of this hurricane. The only time I'm gonna be talking about it is just a quick updation. But now let's actually go on to our weather updates. So this is Mike's weather page. Like I said, I want to give credit to these people because I don't want to get in trouble for anything. All right, so we got warnings. So we got freeze warnings, and so in this area right here, as you can see, we got freeze warnings, and right here we got freeze watches. Right in this area, we got freeze watches. So As you can see, that's pretty much not it. Mainly, it's all up into here. Like I said, it's really all up into here in the mid of the United States. Really, we're not looking at anything up in this area besides a small crafts advisory or a brisk wind advisory. So, like I said, that's only when we're really looking up into the south, really. And then up in the north, we're not looking at nothing, too. So, pretty much the whole entire east coast is looking good. So, that's it for the warnings right now. So, now let's actually go on to the forecast weather. So, we're actually going to take a look at this. Earlier, we could have seen rain here. We seen more of thunderstorms are actually going. Severe thunderstorms are actually coming off, and this is due to a Let me see. I gotta explain it first. Let's do it in white, and then no, we'll do it in red. So right here, we have a cold front coming in. So I'm just gonna draw this real quick, and then we have a low. So we have a cold front right there, and then the square box is gonna represent a low, which this is causing all these thunderstorms to pop up in here, and which is causing severe thunderstorms and severe weather for the parts of Florida. Now, we could see this calm simmer down once this front comes in here later on, like I said. So, like I said, right here we got some thunderstorms, which is going to be calming down soon. So, not too much longer to go with these severe thunderstorms and all that. Like I said, let's look at the. So pretty much, the next thing we're going to look at is let's go look at the radar real fast. Actually, let's look at the radar if I can find it. All right, so well, first before we look at the radar, I kind of will look at the rainfall total right here. This is 1 to 5 days out, so 120 hours out. So pretty much where you can see your most rainfall is going to be in Florida, and so your most rainfall is going to be into Florida within the next 5 days. You're talking about a good up to we're talking about a good up to 5 inches, all the way to 1. And then our second most rainfall for the United States is going to be up into Louisiana and parts of Texas, which you're talking about a good 3 to 0.1. So that's going to be our rainfall total. And then we're talking about up into the north and Virginia and all that. Not too much. Most you guys can see is 2 inches, pretty much. So, um, radar, we're going to look for the radar. Right here. Radar is right here. Alright, so right now, as you guys can see, this is about the National Weather Service. So as you can see, a little rain up into Denver, parts of Denver, and then, like I said, that little rain, which is going to intensify in the future. Which is going to intensify. Dude, that's only due to a front, like I said, and a low pressure behind the front. Like I said, a low pressure up into the front. So, and that's going to cause a lot of severe thunderstorms. Same thing happened over here within the parts of here, which is the front is moving down into Florida as of right now. So that's really not that much to look because we don't got that. We got like I said, some snow, rain, some severe weather down into Florida. So now let's go look at the temperatures. So as you guys can see, we have a cold line up into here, and the rest of it is warm. So pretty much we're looking at 58 for North Carolina, Outer Banks, 62 for Raleigh, what do we call it? Texas, 70 degrees, all the way 67 to all the way to 73 degrees. California, all the way to 80, all the way to 48, all the way to 88 degrees. New Mexico, all the way to 87 to 61. Even warmer parts, you might even see up to 88 degrees. Some parts. Florida, all the way up to, I would say, probably 85, all the way to 71. And then we're talking about parts right here, 73, 68, 59, and up into the north, we're talking about in the 50s, and we're talking about the whole entire East Coast up to the 70s, 60s, and then 50s, and then we're talking about the whole entire West Coast up into the 70s and the 80s. So, the thing I want to talk about is our hurricane scale, wind scale, pretty much. So this pretty much determines if what the storm is classified as. We have it start off at tropical depression, tropical storm, Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3, Cat 4, and Cat 5. So what these are, tropical depression is 0 to 38 miles per hour. Tropical storm, 39 to 73 miles per hour. Cat 1, 74 to 95. Cat 2, 96 to 110. Cat 3, 111 to 129, Cat 4, 130, 154, and so on. Cat 5, starting at 157 all the way up to beyond. Be 300 miles per hour, doesn't matter. So, I think that's going to be the wrap of the video today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Like it, share, and comment below what you guys want to see in the future. The reason why I have not been posting lately is because I have a lot of school to do, and I've been focused on that more. So around June 12th, I will start posting more, and hopefully you guys enjoy your day. And pretty much, this will be the wrap of the video. So until next time, peace.